I'm about to dip out and go get these mussels so I can record this video for y'all. Hello, can I get a pound of your mussels? I think that's all. Do y'all have, oh yeah. And 2 lobster tails. That was the fastest I ever been in and out of a store. And I have my mussels. I'm about to clean those. Okay, I add me some ice on top of my mussels to make sure they stay cold. I get 1 stick of butter, throw it in the pan, let it melt down, and in the meanwhile, I get my seasonings together. All of the seasons that I'm using right now is going to be in the description box. So you add all of those together since it's just easier, and you dump them in the pot or the pan whenever your butter is completely melted, and add a little crab ball to that because it's Cajun. Then you're going to mix all of those together and let it cook and simmer down for like maybe 3 minutes. And then you're going to add your mussels in. Any extra seasoning you see me adding is because it's overkill and I like extra seasonings. But it's the same stuff from the description box, whatever you like more of. You know your mussels are done when they open up. When all of your mussels are open, that's when they're done. And you're going to see me take my spoon and get the butter mixture that we made and putting it inside of those mussels that open to enhance that flavor, get that flavor all the way up in there. So guys, this is the end of this video. This is my mussels, how they came out, the little juice. But it seemed like every time I fix them, they taste better and better and better. So here they are. Here's my, I take the mussel and I dip it, well, like, not dip it, but like, well, yeah, dip it into the sauce. Like, I get the little sauce like that. You see how it's dripping out like that, and take it out with the fork like this. I'm gonna be honest with you, every time I fix it, it gets better, but this time it tastes like crawfish. Have you ever had crawfish the correct way, like Louisiana style? This is what it tastes like. It's good. Best one. So I just realized that I didn't close off that vlog. My bad. Those mussels was good, but this is the end of this vlog. Go fix those mussels. You're not gonna regret it. And thank you for watching.